Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add payment method in GoDaddy. So the first step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar, type in godaddy.com and it will lead you to a home page of GoDaddy website. Now you have to make sure that you are logged in into your account, and after you log in, you can see your username on the top right corner. Click on it and here you can see account settings option. Click on account settings. Now after that, click on this account settings option which is on the top side, and here you can see this payment method option. Click on it. Now here, as you can see, I have not added any payment method here till now. If you have already added your payment method, here you can see another option which says add a payment method. Simply click on it and you can add another payment method as you require. Now since I have not added any payment method here, first, to add a payment method, I have to subscribe to our product and it will automatically add payment method here. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.